Hi guys, in this video I am going to talk about what is the pod taxi, how it will help the passengers to travel from the different locations, what will the cost of this project, where this project is going to be implemented, what are the safety concerns about the pod taxi, in which country this project has already been implemented. Watch this video till and you will get answer to these questions. Hi guys, I am Pravjit Singh. You are watching our YouTube channel. So let's start. I will first show you the clip about the pod taxi so that picture will be created in your mind and you will understand in better way. In India, the today main concern is about day by day increasing the traffic congestion problems and increasing the pollution problems. Particularly talking about the Delhi. In Delhi, air quality index is about 455, while in Toronto, this is having only value of 45. So we need to work on this so that we can decrease the pollution problems. Pot taxi can help to overcome from these problems. Pot taxis are just like the small cars running on particular guideways. These taxis are having capacity of 4 to 5 passengers. These taxis run on the electricity, such that there will be no issues related to the pollution of the environment. These taxis are self-driven, such that there will be no driver driving the vehicle. Pot taxis are not connected with each other. These are not like the railways by block. Pot taxis are beneficial to the locations where metro can't go. Pot taxis require narrower bridges or narrower guideways. Particularly talking about India. In India, the pot taxis are going to be installed very soon. The route has been selected from New Delhi, Harayana Border to the Subash Chownk. This route is divided into 16 different stations. This project is under the NHAI, National Highway Authority of India. The cost has been proposed about 850 crore Indian rupees. For the safety purpose, this is equipped with the wireless technology and sensors for regularly monitoring. Actually, this project is in need of we need to work on our transportation system so that we can overcome from our pollution problems. These pot taxis are currently used in many countries, such as in London, the pot taxi system is installed in 2011 with a speed of 25 miles per hour and having 3 different stations. In South Korea, this project has been started in 2013 with the speed of 70 km per hour and having 2 stations. In Abu Dhabi, this project has been started since 2010 and having speed of 25 km per hour and having 2 different stations. In USA, this project is started in 1975 with speed of 50 km per hour and having 5 different stations. This is all about the pot taxes. Now the question is that what will be the backup plan if the power failures? Write down your reviews in the comment box and thanks for watching our video.